morning students. I welcome you all to the online classes of SGY. So today we will be starting the revision of exercise 5A that is based upon the exponents. So I'll be solving question number 6 which is important for your second term exams also. So let's see question number 6 first part. This is the question of simplification and it is saying that you have to simplify 10 to the power 2 multiplied by 15 cube upon 2 square multiplied by 3 into 5 की power 5 and into 6 की power 4. The question has not bounded you for any kind of approach. आपको किसी भी approach के लिए question बोला नहीं है. You can try it either by the prime factorization method और या फिर आप सबको expand करके elimination method से भी इसको solve कर सकते हैं. So I think we will be preferring here prime factorization method. That means we have to convert all the factors into the prime factors, and we know that 10 can be split into two prime factors, that is 2 and 5. So we can write 2 multiplied by 5 whole to the power 2 multiplied by, similarly 15 could be broken down into two parts, that is 5 into 3, or you could write 3 into 5 whole to the power 3 upon, this is already in prime factor, 2 की power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 की power 5 and multiplied by this 6 की power 4 can be broken down into two parts, that is 2 into 3. So this would be 2 multiplied by 3 and whole to the power 4. Now this could be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 upon, this could be written as 2 की power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. Now we can clearly see this is 5 and this is 5. This means that they have the same bases, and in multiplication if we have the same base then we can add the powers. So this will be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 and multiplied by this 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3, then powers will be added, so it will give us 5 to the power 5 upon, here you can see 2 here and here as well, same base, then again we will be adding the powers, so this will give us 2 to the power 2 plus 4 which is 6 multiplied by, this is 3 to the power 1 and this is 3 to the power 4, again we will be adding the powers, we will get 3 to the power 5 and then this is 5 to the power 5. Now we can clearly observe that we have got 2, 3 and 5 in the numerator and same 2, 3, 5 in the denominator as well. So from here we can clearly do apply the quotient law that was told by me earlier कि जब भी आप देखोगे कि same base और division हो रहा है तो what we will be doing, we will be subtracting the powers. So this will give us 2 to the power 2 minus 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 minus 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 5 and minus 5. For solving this, we will get plus 2 and minus 6 will give us 2 to the power minus 4, and this multiplied by this will give us 3 to the power minus 2 and multiplied by this will be 5 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0 will give us 1. So these terms have negative powers, और negative powers में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको denominator में करके positive में convert कर सकते हैं. So this will be giving us 1 upon 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 2, and this is the answer in the form of exponents. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको expand करके numerals integer में भी answer calculate कर सकते हो. So this was simplification. Let's see one more part. Its second part. The question is saying 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 25 and multiplied by 10 to the power 5 upon 5 to the power 7 and multiply by 6 to the power 5. पहले क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया था, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से किया था. यहाँ पे आप चाहो तो एक्सपेंशन यूज कर सकते हो. So we'll be writing 3 5 times. This will give us 3 into 3 into 3, 3 and 3. This 25 could be written as it is. चाहो तो 5 into 5 भी लिख सकते हो. Multiply by this would be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Upon this will be 5 7 times. And this 6 would be 5 times. So you can clearly see this 3 3 3 3 and 3, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This will reduce. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 6, 2s are 6 and 2s are 6. Now this 5 and this 5 will be eliminated from these two. Now this will be 5 1 2 3 4 and 5. This will be 1 2 3 4 and 5 2 times. 2 into 2. Now again there are 2 into 2 into 2 5 times and same in numerator. So everything will be eliminated. So answer from here will be equal to 1. So this is the answer of your question number 6, second part. From these two questions, one will certainly be asked in your half-yearly examinations. So that is all in today's class. I'll be coming with some more questions in our next class. Thank you.